We're discussing about the vendor master. Yeah, business
Right.
partner. Okay. So as we discussed, so business partner, as per the concept in SAP S4HANA, we have BP as a transaction code, and we have other parameters which are like a business partner category that we have to choose to create business partner, and we have business partner roles and business partner grouping, and along with that we have account group. These four important parameters which we consider for business partner. So yeah, the business partner earlier it was looking for specifically from procurement we create vendor master, and from the SD side they are creating customer master. So now, so business partner is linking both supplier and customer. Okay, they can create single data, so single master record will be available for both. Okay, if they are playing supplier and customer also, then we can create the both on this one with business as a business partner. So in business partner category, we have an options like we can select as an individual person, we can select as a group, or we can select as an organization. Okay, so these are the options which are available for business partner category. So business partner role, like for procurement, it is considered. It is like we have vendor and FI vendor. Those are the two roles which are available. So the purchasing data will be maintained at supplier level as a business partner role, vendor. Yeah, this one as a BP role supplier, we maintain purchasing data, and at FI vendor we maintain company code data. So that is our present in the accounting data. Here it is present in the purchasing data as a screen in the transaction, BP transaction. So general data, which is valid for all org level, means it is a client data that's available as a general data. Okay, as a this is specific to as a vendor, BP as a vendor. So BP as a customer, they have different their SD specific roles like customer and FI customer.
Okay.
So that is not relevant for us. It is not getting okay. Yeah. So business partner grouping, this plays an important role. So this grouping will control the BP role and account grouping. So this account grouping, whatever account grouping we do, this controls the number ranges, number assignment, and account group. So BP role controls the field, what fields which are mandatory, optional. Those will be controlled by the BP role. So account group controls partner determination, number assignment for the vendor master specifically, not for the business partner, specifically for the vendor master. Okay, where we have an options like whether business partner number and the account number of the vendor will be same or different. Accordingly, this account group will play a role to assign different number to the supplier master. Okay, that is a customizing. We can see that. Okay, and this is the path where we define the number ranges. So number ranges will be defined by mostly by the grouping. So this is the path where we can define that. So define grouping and assign number ranges for the grouping. So the table for the this business partner is BUT 000. This is the table, and account group. So there is a linkage between account group and the grouping that is available at the table TBC 001. Okay, these are the
Right.
new tables which are introduced in SAP S4HANA. And this is the path wherein we can define whether the account group, the supplier number and the BP number will be same or different. So that based on the checkbox, there's a checkbox available. If you select the checkbox, both the numbers will be same. If you are not selecting, means the vendor number and the BP number will be different in that case.
Sir, can the vendor number, customer number, and BP number be same?
No, no, here we have only control towards BP to vendor. Customer,
Okay, so similarly, there must be some controlling or configuration related to customer and VP, right?
yeah, that may be available. Yeah, that is for SD side. For we can't control the customer and PP. Yeah, there may be a customization available. Yeah, that will be part of SD.
On that, just what master data.
Uh,
So what if I have a common number? I mean, same number for customer, vendor, and BP. Because as a business,
hmm,
that will be more beneficial to me for identification of an entity. Because
hmm,
all are my business partner. So logically, I mean, I have
hmm.
not seen the
Yeah, in that case, what they
configuration.
can
I
do?
don't
Yeah,
know.
yeah, in that case, no, no, no. In that case, what we can do? This instead of internal number range. Okay, this account grouping should use in that case the external number range means the external number range means right? We have to give our own number to the BP.
Hmm. Okay.
You getting it right? So that if I give there 1 2 3 4, so vendor number also I can give 1 2 3 4 manually. So system won't give the number range. So then customer also we can give that same number. Then it will accept. If it's enter number range, I think only one control is available between BP and vendor and BP and customer. So in that case, it's very difficult because the number whatever is available at the customer is not maybe available at vendor, right? They may be using different number range. Then it won't
Hmm.
sync. So in that case, giving external number is preferred. They have to use external number range. Then they can give whatever they are using for BP. They can use all the three same number.
No, that is fine. But I just
Mm,
wanted to know whether system has a check or validation in terms of this number because earlier in ECC,
mm.
whenever you configure in things, then system is to check whether this number range falls into some other number range grouping or not.
No, no, that number range grouping checking is different. That is, if it is there in ECC, same thing will be available in BP also. But the customer vendor number, there is no check, right? Because they both are different programs. But if customer
Hmm.
wants to give the same number for all the three, they have to choose
Hmm.
external number range. In that case, there is no validation. But
Okay.
system, they can give their whatever the number they prefer to use for both. All the three. Means all the three different also they can give, same also they can give, it will accept because it's external number range. System won't do any validation in that case,
Okay.
right? Yeah. So that option is available. So this is a, account group related configuration. So this we have seen. So account group will control the regular vendor or one-time vendor, and it controls the field status if it is specific to account group. And we have data we can maintain at vendor sub-brand level and per plant level. Okay, that is possible. So all this control will be done by the account grouping.